Hi, in this video, I will show you how to configure COSAC alerts to be sent by SMS using a web service. COSAC Alert is a desktop application capable of automatically notifying users by SMS or emails regarding specific user events. It covers attendance and access events like missing in or out punch, leave application approval and rejection, monthly attendance and user events, etc. Using COSAC Alert, we can send mass SMS and email notifications to all the users without human intervention. For sending SMS alerts, there are two options. Either we can use a GSM modem or we can use web services of one of the selected SMS service providers. Now, open COSAC web application and click on Admin. Next, click Masters. After that, click Alert Messages. Here, we get a complete list of all the available events for which alert messages can be sent. For example, let me select and configure Missing in Punch users. On clicking on it, the configuration page opens. For choosing some other event, we can use this drop-down menu. Then, to edit the parameters, click on Edit. In this box, edit the header message if required. Similarly, if needed, edit the footer message. Then, choose message selection to be SMS. From here, we can choose to send the alert message by mail also. We can also select both the options. Event check period specifies the time passed after which the alert is to be sent. Suppose we want to send an alert SMS for missing in punch 5 minutes after the starting time of shift. For that, in post shift start, enter 5. At this point, please note that for each event, apart from header, footer and message selection, we can configure various parameters relevant to the particular event. But we can't edit the matter of the message. Message preview displays how the message will appear to the user. We are done, so save the page. Next, we need to assign the chosen alert message to the required users. In the left menu pane, click Utility and click on Assign Alerts. From the event list, choose the event for which you want to assign the alert messages. If for this event, alert is not assigned to any user, the system will give this message, no data found. At this time, against message selection, select SMS. Note that for configuring to send alerts by email, you need to select mail. We can also select both to send alerts by SMS as well as email. After selecting SMS, click Save. On saving, a pop-up menu Select Users appears. Here, under Multiple Selection, you can choose to assign the alerts to all users or to a group of users or to the randomly selected users. Further, if you choose Selected Groups, you have choices to select specific groups from organization, branch, department, designation, section, category and grade. Now, I will show how to select from randomly selected users. As you click this option, these fields are presented. Click on this link to see the list of all the users. As you choose any user, it is added to the list here. Like this, you can add any more users you want to assign alerts. If you need to remove any user from the list, click on that user and click Remove. Once you are done selecting users, click OK. Thus, we assigned alerts for missing in punch users to the randomly selected users. To implement the alert messages for user events and the related events like missing punches and user allowed or denied, etc. Alert messages flag in the door parameters should be enabled. Only then the events of that door controller are sent as alert messages to the users. Let me show how to do this. Go to Home page and click on Devices. From the left menu pane, click Door. From the list, choose the door for which the events are to be sent as alert messages to the users. Then, click Edit. In the basic parameters, enable this alert messages flag. Lastly, save the page. We have done the required configurations in the COSAQ web application. We may now log out and close it. Next, we need to start the desktop application COSAQ Alert to configure the SMS settings required for sending alerts by SMS. Click on the COSAQ Alert icon on desktop and log in as system administrator. Here, the password is same which you have set for COSAQ web application. Then, click on SMS settings. As we want to use web service for sending alert SMS, click on Web Service. Matrix COSAQ supports web services of SMS Gateway Center, SMS Lane and Business SMS for sending SMS. See that SMS Lane offers feature of flash message. So, if we want to send alerts as flash SMS, check this box. Same way, Business SMS also offers features of flash message. It doesn't require any sender ID like the other services. Select the SMS service provider whose services are to be used. Then, specify the username. Next, enter the password. After that, key in the sender ID. Now, enter the alert cycle. It is the time in seconds between the attempts of sending alerts till they are successfully sent. Then, specify the retry count. It is the number for which COSAQ Alert makes attempt for sending the alert message. At last, enter the active days. It means for how many days the alert message will be tried to be sent. We can check this box, Disable Sending SMS, to temporarily disable sending the alert SMS. Finally, save the page. After completion of configuration, we can check the web service status. Here, you can check various parameters like mode, selected service and credit balance. Using the test utility, we can send a test message to desired phone number and confirm proper functioning of COSAQ Alert and the web service. Once we are done doing all these steps, it's now time to start the service. We can click on SMS logs to view SMS error logs. This way, we have seen configuration for sending COSAQ alerts by SMS using a web service. Thanks for being with me. I believe that this video will be useful to you. If you need more help, please contact Matrix Technical Support.